Hi, it's Mr. Anderson. We're going to do some more math. And this math is we're starting with a number and then we're going to add up, count forward. That's a really good skill to have because it makes math easier. Okay? And I'll help you with that. So first I'm going to read the problem, and then second, I'm going to count. All right? Let's try our best. Drew counts 6 mugs. Then he counts some more. Start counting at 6. How many altogether? So he had 6, and then he has these. So what's the number after 6? 7, 8, 9. Drew has 9 mugs. And there's 9.
9.
Good work. Here's the next one. Paige counts 4 pins. Then she counts some more. Start counting at 4. How many altogether? So here's 4. What number comes after 4? Yeah, 5. 5, 6. There's 6.
6.
So Paige has 6 pins. Let's do the next one. Drew counts 7 keychains. Then he counts some more. Start counting at 7. How many altogether? So we have 7. What number comes after 7? Yeah, 8. 8, 9, 10. Drew has 10 keychains. Here's 10.
10.
All right, next one. Paige counts 2 T-shirts. Then she counts some more. Start counting at 2. How many altogether? So here's 2. What number comes after 2? Yeah, 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Paige has 8 T-shirts. And there's 8.
8.
Awesome work. You're learning another skill about how to count forward. Keep it up. Thank you. I'll see you later.